installment every
Rescue.
week. We also have early
Right,
access
starting
on
the
Patreon.
episode
The link to
off
that
in the
is
woods
below. With that being said, let's jump into the
with
episode.
some
That's disgusting.
Drinking
I got it out
Now I see like
That's all she wrote for that.
This is how she was like living.
That didn't make it.
Like I said, it's like haven't lived too dissimilarly. I mean, it's obviously
and then go
different,
You see how she's brimming in it too.
but it's not extremely dissimilar in that they only had one thing for the company, which was either Meowie or Mashup,
Is it a bit?
and they were just surviving, like on their own. I feel like this could be the foundation of that
We saw
line.
last shot in the trailer.
Oh, we've seen a trailer. I think she was in the trailers too. This specific.
Because
you care for him.
Cares those feelings. She cares about those
cares
feelings.
It
Yes,
is.
it is.
Yes.
I love that episode. He's talking
That is so
Rubbing
painful.
your toe on asphalt.
How you feel?
I'm stuck in one of the cracks, bro. Oh, that's painful.
That is a pain that is never going to be experienced in my life.
That transition was fucking clean.
それで最近初めて分かったんじゃん。血は温かくて
Look at
気
that.
持ちがいい。
And so does Meowsy.
She bonded
Blood
with
is
the
warm
cat.
and
She really
feels
loved that
pleasant.
cat.
She likes that
Oh,
feeling.
she's
So
crying.
you find
And
comfort.
she's
Oh,
so
yeah.
good.
Yeah, it did get digested.
She like
In that
got
shot.
a real
Oh,
fun
she-
time.
oh, said that last
And I
time.
know they
Never
realize
chew her
that
food.
that was so and he's put on.
And he
Oh,
was
look at
everywhere.
that. I'm so
Then she
relieved.
got the
So
Power.
Fuck that shit. Oh.
She's still his powers in
The
action. I
bat
would
devil
love
is
to
now
see
the
her
god
reaction
devil
to it.
now.
It's like, don't remind me of
The
that.
boobs.
Yep. Can I get a touch?
Yes.
I'm literally saying.
Is he gonna get to do this?
The bill comes. You wouldn't talk.
Such a
And
fool.
she knows it. Is that
I'm
bird?
into my.
He didn't even say a word.
Hey,
He was
bro,
like,
pay up.
Look at that,
Shit, she
man.
said the same thing about
In the
herself.
settlement. Fucking.
But he would have.
I'm so glad Meowie is safe.
May
You deserve it, buddy. You deserve it. This is your moment. Here we go.
The moment has come. Is he actually gonna do it?
He's like, this is all.
What the hell was that?
Oh, another one.
That's disgusting. Oh,
Is it still alive? What just happened?
It's a.
What the fuck? That shit.
One crazy star. What the hell is that thing?
Where does this thing come from? I'm assuming it came out of the bathtub.
This looks like if a monster
It just appeared.
I don't know if she can.
no milk and no sense.
Not even a fish.
How are they gonna get out of this?
He can't just leave you
Okay,
though.
well, take me out.
Telling you we're gonna get a fight.
He's going for round two. Let's go.
Number two was
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, look at the floor.
Oh
wow.
Yeah,
The chainsaw is small.
Fools all the time.
It talks.
I finally found him.
Wait.
Oh,
yeah, you're
so
right.
this is a different devil.
Look at how ridiculous the floor is. The floor is coated in his.
Yeah.
They're
staring at
you.
like your titties.
Your brain died.
I can only imagine.
You what?
Sure, don't even picture it, bro. Ew.
Oh my god.
You can't leave now.
What
How's
kind
the
of
fuck?
like 6
Oh, you gotta go.
It's so interesting now.
Last challenge. Watch out for the wacky little arms.
So he clearly needs like
He dodged. I'll try to put my chainsaw back.
Get up!
Got chainsaw.
I respect Ninja, man. He's actually still strong.
But we don't have our chainsaws, so how are we gonna kill this thing?
Man, this the backlash from him using that shit.
You want to come back tomorrow?
He calls that romance.
Real quick. I'll fuck you up.
That's romance, isn't it?
What is she, bro?
Oh my god.
I felt.
He was so close.
Tracy dream.
She's really judging dreams.
She is. Look, Evan.
Everybody has their
Sir,
own reasons, I
there's a
guess.
blade in your head.
The utter level. Bro, worm, bro. She a worm. Diesel ass
Josh about it.
Yeah, that's not fair.
Wanting to feel
Family stuff.
Yes, voice acting. Energy, man.
That's funny as shit.
He's hot right now. Damn. He doesn't look good right now. Damn. His eyelid ain't about to pop out his socket.
He's just
Are you gonna help out?
Man.
Fuck, man.
This is
Betrayal.
He got her eye? Is he stuck
Yeah,
up
he's
there?
stuck in it.
Oh, no.
That's not what I thought happened. Punk through the chest.
How many times that nigga died in the show?
Power, can you get up, do something?
Power, do something.
really not doing it.
The shadow puppet that came to life.
The leech devil.
Is that the devil?
Oh, that's what it is.
So yeah,
Wait, what is this?
That was a summon Can y'all help this man?
Oh shit!
They're like part of.
He was so dope. He was
They?
The reservoir dogs.
That was OP.
Thankfully, I
What did we just win?
The rest of the experimental squad under Aki.
It just shows how afraid people are of leeches.
Did it.
He was so close. popping a few.
Fucked up.
The fact that she really just laid down. I really don't rock with this girl.
I think she literally can't.
Cat was like, sure, bro.
Yeah, but they fought two demons.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. Like, I would have seen that shit really quickly.
Now that
Crazy.
I think it would be good.
Insane.
Right? His arm probably regenerated already.
Is he
He's
including
actually peeling him some apples.
Yep. Oh,
Found your arm.
I thought it would have regrown
He
by
can
now.
just heal it back, right?
No, because I will stop.
Oh, okay.
It's like naturally you grew all you
Yep.
need to smack
Because
for
of
blood.
Portugal.
Like devils, yeah.
Oh, that was a devil. Can he summon a devil?
You just slice an apple.
So
How did you do
beautiful.
that so well?
He's talking about cone.
Contracts.
See, I was like, yo, she got a contract.
Body is food. It's the same way he did with Pochita. He gave Pochita his blood.
Just to summon that?
Yeah.
That is so
That
cool.
was the way he killed those apples.
You have a toe.
Right?
Oh,
That's basically what it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she's
I already
different.
know it works.
She did try to kill you.
I knew this would
like
come.
playing
Yams. You're just
It was just like just a slice of yam. A slice of yam, save me.
Of your split blood.
It's a good thing they kept tabs on them then.
You're not gonna sell her out.
Again. Aki makes no sense.
Again.
Because he understands why she did it.
So,
I don't know.
wow.
There's layers to
I
it.
got
It's not as simple as that.
He's not telling the story, guys.
Oh, this is the family he saved.
Oh,
When he was fighting the bad devil.
Saved last episode.
Yeah.
Yeah, he saved
People are
all
starting
his
to
Going
like
to their
him.
office. Her office, rather.
He's already getting people wanting to thank him.
You guys let me know. He doesn't care about saving a dude, but a chicken.
I remember that guy.
It's actually dope they survived because
They got a good reputation.
they just showed the car get tossed and that was it.
Well, he fell out of it.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even see. Okay.
Aki.
Aki is gonna be a
Thank
real one
goodness.
here.
I didn't even catch that.
Okay. What would that
What
be?
is the condition?
On one condition.
Still really no casualties? Damn, man. I
Makima.
know that battle was insane.
He seems like a logical, reasonable person, you know? I agree with that.
He's not lying though.
I firmly agree with that.
True.
Oh.
Like,
I would listen to what if.
Okay.
So
So he's
I
gonna be
know you
listening to
guys
both
said you like him a lot. So
Makima and Aki.
I have a funny suspicion that Aki's gonna be very important.
That's not a
Because he's gonna build a
That they do with him to show that he's has Pochita literally like that dog personality.
But it's still worth something.
Like
Like,
they've been doing like
That's what I
even during
respect,
fight.
bro.
I'm curious about it as you guys are.
Bro, just for some
wanna-
titties.
Like, yeah,
Like yeah, like he was like
I'm just as dedicated as you.
like a few times.
Like, yeah, I
We'll
lived
think
in
about
Hawaii
it.
days, but
And fought the leech
He's
devil.
like
Like, bro.
Yeah,
I
nah,
just
it's
realized
Like Denji
different.
has
Dreams may be small.
It's pretty cool.
His motivation is
difficult for
insane.
him
And like
to
him, how you see
between
him just like,
His drive is insane.
need to.
Yo, this dude's easily bought. Let's see.
he's
man.
over here
Oh,
acting as if
she's
he didn't know.
handcuffed.
So he said Himino, that's her name, right? Damn.
That is true. If she did end up killing a human, Aki would surely be very punished for it.
Can't wait to see what's under that eye
It's
patch.
very interesting.
That's where you and Denji
Oh, my
get different.
I
goodness.
don't think that
Become
whole
friends,
thing
right?
with
Technical.
Aki is gonna
Aki and
last
Power.
too long because we can already see that there's layers to them, and
the lighting
if
that
he's
they
have
have
on
on
the
the
working
show.
I like how
properly
serious he
with
is.
them,
That is so
I
cool.
see him.
Yeah, I feel he just buy the book and it's like, yo, I've been through some shit in my life, man. I got my experience.
They're doing a very dangerous thing together, and I feel like
Why did he
it's
stop?
bound to
Oh.
happen.
Sure, we
What was
freshen
that?
up before
This
making
is
sure
a
we freshen up beforehand.
Easy.
He tries not to have his hatred for
Good to see
demons
Manga. I
and
thought
things to
so.
step in the way of his
Well,
job.
Aki always wants to make sure he's
Fixing himself up to see her.
Devils went down like
Yeah,
this.
exactly.
This time,
Oh my god, Makima.
But he even made a contract
Where are
with
they
a devil
going? Are they
for the
going
sake of his
somewhere?
job, even though he hates him.
Oh, they're just talking.
So
Wow.
he's telling her a little bit of a
Successful.
And he's coming up
different
for them.
chain of events here
Yeah, he didn't sell her out.
So he's not.
to save their
Looks
asses,
like
I'm
she's like, I know
sure.
what's going on.
No traces of gun flash?
I don't know if she believes him.
Gun
What?
flesh.
So he didn't tell her the full
Actually,
story.
What is gun flash?
What's
Is that
power
what the link
ability
from
again?
specifically is?
It must be,
天使
yeah.
とはね、あやちゃん。知らず知らずのうちに
Like she knows
Oh.
more than
Need
you
to have a
think.
little
She's
bit
covering
of
up for the
That's a
Makias.
weakness.
Nigga,
Wow.
I'm so mad.
の逸脱は違反行為だけど。
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪の2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
Yeah, good luck,
Good
Zaki.
point.
True.
Good point.
You got rid of one of them, but okay.
I feel like if she finds out that he's
What's
lying,
up with her? What's two? I remember.
I think they just confirmed it. There's a
There's a
fucking
gun
gun
dude.
devil, bro.
and that would not be
one
good for
before
What I
us.
was thinking. I'm like, what do you mean gun flesh?
I said that as a joke.
Oh yeah.
Right after the battle.
He got
Even
rid
if
of
it's
it.
just
mean, if
the
there were-
slightest bit more
住
flexible.
んでるね。
Is he already having an
Like the chick
Popping
talking
out
about all the
your
different
fucking
kinds
face.
of
I love
devils
it.
depending on how
Fear.
much fear is projected.
Yo,
It
Maki
looks
be
very
loving
cool.
I'm sorry. She is like
Secret
Reminder.
project.
Oh.
Prime.
Look at this man.
I'm so
Now that you
surprised.
now that you mention it, not just
Yeah, she got using these people because of the guy.
And Maki wanted
Yeah, that's why
that
there was a bat and a
agency.
leech.
It
Yeah,
worked
that's
for
true.
them in high
A lot of
respect.
people
And
are
I
afraid
think
of bats and
Oh, look at him with his hair
Denji's gonna, I mean, not Denji,
down.
but Aki's gonna be
Stop
a
it right
very interesting
now.
character.
Weird seeing that boy
Because
with
you're
his hair
kind of like a
down.
middleman right now.
Yeah, and if he gets attached to Denji and power,
Like
he's
his
gonna
man,
be
like he always
into
has,
all of
but-
this. Because I don't think the higher ups are gonna. Nah, she's cool.
shouldn't say
They're probably gonna want to
I feel
exterminate.
blessed
Bro,
on
the way
this
this
day.
animated
I
makes me
feel
feel like I'm watching
that
some
she
live
knows
action
what
shit.
she's
Yeah.
doing.
Self-alert, I
Aki's
get it.
super important.
I don't drink coffee, but all my friends do.
all right,
Yeah,
y'all ain't even have to do all
unnecessary.
that. Come on, y'all.
Like, just
So
them doing stuff like this, like everyday things. Like making
Toothpaste like that,
Makes me
bro?
so good.
Yeah.
You
Do it
don't
again.
have to go that hard. In the anime.
Hey.
Yes.
Cooking
100%.
stuff, like, that is
Turn his fingers
awesome.
into
That's dope.
pencils.
This is not up to Mappa standard.
Once
I don't
again.
know
But I can
why,
watch this
but
with
they're
no
making
more
it
sound.
sound
Like,
true.
it's-
What is going on?
This animation is so
It's
good.
just-
We literally just watched this man
Just living life like a man. Coffee, the paper.
That's a really nice
Is that
shot.
what I saw?
No, I respect it.
There it is.
Someone's gonna fuck
This
him
part
his
from
day
the
though.
trailer.
He is so
Yeah,
pretty.
they literally
I feel
said
Disney
same
lives
spot.
with him.
So it's like kind of balancing.
He looks so early.
Watching it, it just
Really
looks
good.
like
They live together.
Yeah.
They sort of
This
work
one
together.
scene alone took
He really
them
does that
months.
hairstyle on purpose.
They're part of the same.
Ain't no way. All of it.
Bro,
This is like my
it's
favorite
one
part of
This
the
is
Yeah, who's doing laundry?
Ridiculous,
What
bro.
are y'all doing?
They actually
Oh, the jam, my man, what?
room
They wanted to
clean.
see him with
Still
that
using
hairstyle.
every
We're gonna watch
jam.
him do it. It's like, yo,
Possibly
you
native
dinner.
We're just watching him do things.
chopped
We're
up.
not
Freaking
satisfied.
seconds down,
That's
though,
fine.
Magic
I don't
good.
feel attacked.
for lunch.
Yes.
Awesome. That's interesting.
He's a domestic king.
Oh, like you said.
Your power, you gotta relax.
I figured.
Oh, she got her cat.
She's
Yeah, so this dude's just one, like, just babysitting.
Why are you sending me all these
It's
texts?
gonna be a zoo.
More than anyone else.
They were showing this piece of wildly
That is true.
Because he likes her.
I just cannot imagine us three living together.
He
in the
cannot say
same
no to
な
Makima.
くてもパーちゃん
She said she would behave.
Oh, I see.
大丈夫だよ
You can definitely take her word for it.
So Makima, you have to blood for the first time.
Throw it on the floor!
Get out!
Oh my god.
I mean, she's a female. She like blood, right?
The backboard is son.
Son, you gotta go.
Oh my lord.
Okay,
Stinky.
the first time.
At least she's married.
And Aki, you're like,
Listen,
Bro,
anime, I don't care.
bro,
Animal
she was
cats,
just
you gotta go.
guarding the fucking
He's like, I like a dog.
oh my god, I'm
I gotta tell you,
That's
awesome.
You just should start raising hell. That's the thing. You, Aki's having to go.
I've actually found my girls
You just throw the vegetables.
That's so
Hey, we still didn't do our deal yet.
Oh,
Right
she's
now?
reminding
Take
you.
her shit, and you get the fondle.
Yeah, grab him, says Bob.
You hate
He's shook.
Is he going to do it?
Moment of truth. Goddamn, I'm sweating. Why am I
She
sweating?
understands
I
the
don't think it's gonna
assignment.
This is your moment, Denji.
We had a whole talk about this.
Cock
before we
blocker.
started. I've never done it. He's gonna pass out.
Jumped to his knees.
Yo,
Stand up.
sucker.
Stipulation.
You ever seen the meme stand up?
Squeezes him.
You better use them right.
One for the rescue.
One for rescuing Meowie.
He's being very generous.
And for the leash.
She's so fair. Oh yeah, she knows.
Yeah, for covering and not snitching.
Nah, she's reasonable.
So how do you divide your 3 squeezes between
Best in.
the 2?